Thank you for your purchase on Dash Toys Butterfly. Let us assist you in assembling the butterfly. A screwdriver may be very helpful for this purpose, and you can find the following components for the butterfly: the main body, the seat, the set of wheels, toy stand. We will first begin by attaching the wheels to the main body. To do so, turn the main body upside down, then use your hand pressure to fix the wheels in the provided grooves. Once done, turn the main body right side up, and now attach the seat to the main body with the help of the side plastic lock. Ensure that the seat is fixed from all sides tightly. In the next step, insert the battery in the toy stand. Tighten it with a screwdriver and fix it on top of the main body. Your butterfly is all ready to fly now. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.